Good afternoon, everybody. It's nice to be reaching out to talk to you all. And it's been a while. I've been busy making videos of meditations and stitching and a bunch of things like that for some clients. But for those of you that are just getting to know me, my name is Carol LeBaron, and I'm a textile artist and designer and art mentor. And what I love to do is just help anybody who would like to stitch and dye and make books and whatever else it is that you want to do. But today I'm here to talk to you about a package that I got. Here's my package. So this package I got from Jason Stapleton, and I am part of the Nomad network. And a nomad is an awesome thing. It's somebody who, in my definition, okay, what a nomad is, because this box is about being a nomad, and I don't have any idea what's in this box, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about it before I open this box. So a nomad is somebody who wants to be in charge of their own life, in my words. So my graduate work was nomadic carpets, and the Turkmen who made their Turkmen nomads who made these beautiful handmade carpets. And so I've always been close to the nomad idea. So I belong to a network of nomads for the Nomad network, and we help each other out by just helping each other be independent with our own whatever it is that we're doing. And the thing that I'm really good at is creativity and art and textiles and dyeing and helping people in that way. And I've got a whole network of people behind me that helps me be better at it. And it's really awesome. So I'm part of that. And so I am on an unlimited, whatever it is, to where I take a lot of courses and learn how to put things on the internet and how to do different things. I guess you could call it marketing, but it isn't really. To me, it's way more than that. It's a lifestyle. And so I got this box as a gift from Jason, who has changed my life. I will say, if you've not met him, that you should. Anyway, so I'm gonna open this box. What's in here? So it's awesome. So the Japanese, so look at this paper. It's got nomads on it. And as a textile artist and historian, I love Japanese. The Japanese are all about packaging. So much attention to detail here. It's packaged with Nomad tissue paper. It's beautifully boxed. I have no idea what this thing that says Manhattan is, but I'm going to find out. So let's see what's inside here. Okay. Oh, an awesome t-shirt with a nomad on it. That's me. I'm a nomad. I love it. And of course I have to see, what is it made of? It's 100% cotton. Of course, because nothing but the best for us nomads. What else is in here? Okay. There's a Moleskine book. Start Telling Your Story, it has on it. So one thing as nomads we do is we tell our story. And my story with this network is that one day I was digging a ditch, which I still dig ditches, but I'm digging this ditch, and the next thing you know, I heard Jason talking about take charge of your life and what are you doing? And he had a course that he was teaching at that time. Was called Knowledge Revolution, and it was just about, in 30 days, just see what you can do. And I took that class, and my life hasn't been the same since. I have such a different perspective on things. I realize what my own power is. I realize what I can do. I realize how much I'm worth, that my own self-worth, and what I can give to others and show them that too. There's so much that I've been given by this association. So, but a big part of that, another class that we take, it's about telling your story. So here's a book to start writing your story in. So that is so cool. I'm not gonna open this right now, only because I don't want to get it dirty. And you can probably see I'm in my shop, which has a lot of dust in it. All right, what else is in here? Manhattan. Well, that's a place I don't really want to go, but it doesn't seem like it's about Manhattan. Oh, it's a I need one of these. It's a stainless steel water bottle. This is something I need. This is Nomad too. This can come with me to Freiburg. I'm going to be doing arts and crafts directing at our camp, something I've never done before. Again, as a nomad, I realized I could, so I'm going to be doing it, and this water bottle will be right beside me. What else do I have? And see if I'm going to put it back in its box. A sticker, because what would life be without stickers? I don't know where I'm going to put this sticker, but I'm going to keep it. What else is in here? Keep yourself and others safe from digital voyeurs and hackers with the webcam cover. Well, I don't have a well, I guess I use a webcam. This is interesting. I might learn something just by owning this device. Jason's always teaching me something. It's unbelievable. And last but not least is another thing. It's either a pen or a flashlight, or a pen, that's a flashlight. This one I'll open. Let's see. So it is, oh, it's got a velvet case, whatever it is. And it is, oh, this is like a serious, nice pen. It's a pen. This is a really nice pen. It's, so again, I'm a detail person. This pen is stitched leather. And it feels so good in your hand. Oh, and it writes so nicely. I'm going to write Jason a thank you letter with it. Except for that, I probably won't, because I'll thank him digitally. But anyway, so the Stapleton group has given me all the tools that I need to be a nomad. So that what I always like to say is the basic necessities of life, right? We need, well, there isn't food in here, but I can earn my food as being a nomad. So there's story, there's inspiration, there's water, there's clothing, so shelter. So this is totally awesome. So check out Jason Stapleton and the Nomad Network and get on it and meet all of us. And if you come on the Nomad Network, I'll see you there. Talk to you soon.